5 Easy Steps to Start and Monetize Your Blog in 2023. Hi, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will discuss the 5 most effortless steps to start and monetize your blog in 2023, so that it can become a reliable source of income. Why should you start blogging? Blogging is the easiest way to share your knowledge, experience, and expertise with millions of people worldwide. Blogging can also become a steady stream of income, especially if you monetize it appropriately. Step 1: Finding your niche. The first and foremost step to start a blog is to find your niche. It is essential to have a specific area of interest that you are passionate about and can write excellent content on. Step 2: Creating your blog. Once you have found your niche, the next step is to create your blog. Choose a domain name that is easy to remember and represents your niche. Step 3: Creating quality content. Your blog content should be engaging, informative, and unique. You can publish blog posts about topics that interest you and your target audience. Step 4: Promoting your blog. Promoting your blog is essential to increase its visibility and attract more readers. You can promote your blog on social media platforms, run ads, and collaborate with other bloggers in your niche. Step 5: Monetizing your blog. Once your blog has a steady flow of traffic, you can monetize it in various ways such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling digital products, or even physical products. Tips for blog monetization. Here are a few quick tips for blog monetization in 2023. Ensure you have a reliable platform where you can sell your products or services. Choose a payment gateway that is easy to use and secure, and finally, offer excellent customer service to your customers. Conclusion. So that's it. The 5 easy steps to start and monetize your blog in 2023. Remember, blogging is all about passion and dedication, so keep writing excellent content, promote your blog well, and monetize it smartly.